I welcome you in our gallery at the exhibition Vision 2020, the exhibition of Indonesian engaged photography. Those challenging times prevent us together, prevent us to visit and to enjoy those works which are behind me in real time, in real visit, in live. However, a community, which is also a topic of this exhibition, can take different shapes, can take different forms, and a community is on one side perhaps one person, but on the other side there are persons who together they form oneness. This was the motto of this exhibition of our work, which has been a year-long project and engaged 27 photographers with diverse projects which their own seeing of Indonesian communities and the social life in their country. Why should a Slovenian visitor or somebody from Ljubljana, which is the capital with 300,000 inhabitants, even less, which might be just a small district in Jakarta, the capital of this huge archipelago which Indonesia is, why should we be interested about each other? There are many reasons for that. There are many chances to discover how others live, however, how others are just having perhaps the same challenges, perhaps the same solutions to problems, to issues, which are more or less global, not only Indonesian, not only Slovenian. Within next weeks, we invite you to join our virtual community on our social media channels and follow us, become engaged, become our visitors in this virtual reality, and the curators. Beside me, also Swan Ti from Jakarta and Saša Kralj from Zagreb will try to end up those videos which are made in advance, also with sound, and guide you through each project every few days, which will help you to experience, at least virtually and at least through the video, the exhibition as it is as a whole. We hope so that also some of the photographers will be able to join us in this project. However, it will for sure be interesting and diverse and a lot of improvisation, but I'm looking forward to share this experience with you, which is different now. It is different time, but is also, I believe, an added value, because this way also the visitors from Indonesia, from all over the world, which would never otherwise be able to visit this exhibition physically, will now be able to follow us. So, as we curators like to say, perhaps no photo on these walls or in this gallery will change the world. But what are those acts and deeds, those photographers? They are changing many things. They are changing many lives, and they are being the ones who can also offer solutions, sometimes only with their presence or with their photographs. Many of them are still very young, but I'm absolutely sure that in future we are going to hear their names more often, also in terms of worldwide photography. Some has already been awarded with international prizes, and many of them are very successful at home in Indonesia. However, they are all engaged. They are engaged in their communities, in their projects. They are not the photographers who would come and take pictures. They are photographers who are part of the communities they picture, tell their stories, and describe also sometimes, many times, possible solutions to a given issue which they are dealing with. So it is true, our vision might have changed since we started this project and since we could not really open the exhibition. However, it might be even more important to have a clear vision now, clear vision of the society, which Indonesian photographers are offering, and we can be part of it.